Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is so exciting because I finally am filming my Disney World haul. I have been home from Disney for almost a month now, but I basically got back, I had a week, and then I went out for, I went out of town for a work trip, and then I'm back, and like, it has been craziness over here, but things are back to normal. I'm home for a while, which is great, and I'm finally sitting down to film this video. So before I ramble on, I'm going to take a sip of my coffee and then we're going to get into this haul. Okay, bag number one is from the Disney outlet store at the Vineland Outlets, and not everything in here is mine, actually. Some of this stuff is Zoe's, so I mean, I guess I'll show it to you guys. I need to mail it to her. I'm so sorry that you're still waiting on your stuff, Zoe. My bad. But yeah, let's see what all's in here. First, I have this little bag. And you know what's really funny is I'm going to have to text Zoe because I'm not even 100% sure what's hers or what's mine. So first we have a couple of patches. This is a Troop Leader First Order patch. This is normally $9.99, but I got it on sale for $3.99, which is a great deal. I actually have a Stormtrooper themed jacket that I think I might put this on. So very, very cute. Then I have two patches, also $9.99, but on sale for $3.99. And these are Batu themed patches. These are really gorgeous. I love these. I love that you see the whole landscape. What does it say? Oh, it says on the galaxy's edge at the top, which is really fun. So yeah, some gorgeous Batu patches. And then lastly, these were $14.99 on sale for $7.99. And they are gold and black Mickey kind of tiered fray earrings. Super cute. Once again, I have no idea what's mine versus what's Zoe. I don't remember what I or she bought, so I'm gonna have to text her and figure that out. Oh, there's another patch set in here. This was $29.99 and on sale for $14.99. And these are all, it says Jedi patch set, but I feel like these are not Jedi. I feel like these are Sith. And also this looks a lot like the First Order symbol. So I need to look up and see what all of these symbols mean because I'm 100% not sure what any of these are. But I'm pretty sure they're not Jedi. I'm pretty sure they're Sith. Because, I mean, look at the coloring first of all. But yeah, so another patch set. We love patches around here. Okay, this next item I know is for Zoe because it's for her little brother. This was $44.99 on sale for $6.99. What a freaking steal. This is a kid's spirit jersey for the NBA experience that is no longer a thing at Disney. So it's got Mickey with a basketball and like a basketball print, and then on the back it says Walt Disney World once again in kind of like that orangey leather of basketball like material. So super cute. Zoe, I'm going to get this to you, I swear. Okay, this next item I am so freaking excited for. I actually saw this in the parks last year during like Halloween-ish time. And I loved it, and I didn't bite the bullet and get it, and I'm not kidding you, I've thought about it ever since. And so when I saw on someone's TikTok that they had this at the outlets, I told Zoe, I was like, we have to go. I mean, she wanted to go anyways, but I was like, we have to go. We have to hunt this down. I need it. So this is the Minnie Mouse Haunt You Later hoodie, but it's a hoodie dress. So it's like full length hoodie dress. It's got the pocket. It's obviously long sleeve. It's got the hood. And I just think this will be so freaking cute to wear during Halloween season when I need something comfy, cozy, oversized. This is perfect. And also, can we just talk about how cute Minnie looks as a little mummy? Like, she's adorable. She's a cute mummy. And that look on her face, so evil, but like, we love it. We love a haunted Minnie. So I'm very excited about this and I cannot wait to wear it. All right, we're almost done. I believe this is the last thing from the outlets. And it is a mug, if I remember correctly. Yep, okay. So last year, this is another thing that I saw during Halloween last year and I almost bought it, but I don't know why I didn't. I just feel like obviously everything at Disney is so overpriced. It like hurts to buy just about anything. And so I think sometimes I just can't justify the price. But then when it's been like a year or 6 months and I'm still thinking about that item, I'm like, okay, Holly, obviously you really want it. But in this case, it was great because this was $30 and I got it on sale for $15.99. And it is the purple Binks mug. If you guys don't know, I actually collect figural mugs, so he will fit perfectly in my collection. I might just display him during Halloween because I do my living room all Hocus Pocus themed. And it does say Hocus Pocus on the back. Don't know if you guys saw that. The only thing that I don't love about this mug is the fact that he's purple, because Binks is very obviously a black cat. And I just like, his whole thing is that he's a black cat. So I'm not 100% sure why they did him in purple. Maybe it's so you can like see the features on his face in black. I'm not 100% sure. I still think it's really, really cute. I love it. I do wish he was black though. I think that would make it all the much better. So, little Binks mug. And I'm glad I didn't pay the $30 price tag because that is expensive for a mug, even for Disney. All right, next items. Okay, I have some random, see, I haven't even unpacked these bags. This is the shampoo I took to Disney. I must have just thrown it in here because I didn't know where else to put it. Same with this face wash. I didn't buy it at Disney. It's just my face wash. Okay, this is another mug. The second I saw this mug that came out for Flower and Garden Festival this year, I knew I needed it. It is an orange bird mug. So freaking cute. The details on it are actually great. It does actually look like an orange, like it's got kind of a flecked, you know, skin to it, which is cool. And then we've got Orange Bird's little face on there. And then on the back, it says Epcot International Flower and Garden Festival. And then it's got a gorgeous, like, super light minty green inside. So cute little mug. I love the shape of it. Like, I can't wait. I love mugs. I do have one more mug, but it's downstairs, so I'll grab it at the end of the video. You know, I feel proud of myself for only walking away with 3 mugs. That's actually pretty good for me. Normally it's like a solid 5. So I did pretty well. So, okay, next bag. This is actually a bag of stuff that I believe, oh wait, hold on. Okay, there's a mini bag inside the bag. This is what I got with Zoe when we were at the Contemporary Resort for dining at Chef Mickey's. So I got a couple pieces of jewelry. First, I got these amazing, beautiful, stunning gold Mickey hoop earrings. I love a good hoop earring. And these are all Mickey heads in gold and then mixed in with like little, you know, diamondy looking guys. And I just think these are so freaking cute. These were $19.99, so not even that bad. I think I'm gonna throw these on because I have been dying to wear these since the day I got them. There we go. And now that I've shown them to you guys, I can put them on and not feel bad about the fact that I've unpacked my haul. Okay. Oh, so cute. I love stuff like this that is like, you know, it's adding a little Disney magic to your outfit, but like it's not in your face like all over print cake worthy shirts. You know what I'm talking about, like the all over print that are like crazy. I love them, but sometimes you just want a tad little hint of Disney to make you feel better about the fact that you're not in Disney World, and I feel like these are exactly that. Just a super cute dainty earring that has a little hint of Mickey. Love it. So next up, also in the dainty jewelry category, this necklace was $24.99, and this is a dual layered gold chain necklace. But then on the end, it's got a diamond Mickey and then a Mickey circle with like his head cut out situation. So again, I just think this is such a cute way to add a little hint of Disney. It's not in your face, but super beautiful. And the fact that this was only 25 bucks, I feel really happy about, because I feel like jewelry like this can easily be $50, $60. Obviously it's not real gold or else it would be that price, but it still looks gorgeous and that's what matters. So yay for Disney jewelry. I've got the Chef Mickey's thing they passed out during COVID because they weren't doing signatures. I don't know if, I know that hugs are back. Are signatures back? I don't know. I've also got some Disney socks that I'm saving for a different haul because they're not from Disney, they're from Amazon, but I still want to show them to you guys. So I'm going to save those for my box lunch haul. I think this is the last item except the mug that I need to grab from downstairs, and I'm so excited to also have this unpacked and ready to wear. You guys, this cardigan is amazing. Look at it! It's so cute! Okay, so this was $59.99. That price tag hurts a little bit. But it was one of those items where I just saw it and I was like, Holly, I know it hurts, but you're gonna be thinking about this for a year and you're gonna be sad that you didn't buy it, so buy it. And I also work from home a lot of days, so this is the kind of item where, like, if I've got, you know, like a tank top or a shirt or whatever on and I just like need a little something over my shoulders, this is like the kind of thing that I will grab from my closet. And so I know I'll get a ton of use out of it, and that helped me justify the price tag. But it's a super cute kind of oversized cardigan. It's definitely long. It would go past your butt for sure, but it's got Mickey and a ton of different prints all over it. So freaking cute. And then it says Mickey. I just love it. I also really love what they chose for the buttons. They're like this really pretty like black and white kind of mixed. I don't know. I just think it's really pretty. And I got this, what size did I get? Did I really get a medium? Hold on. Yeah, I got a medium. I'm surprised I didn't get a large. Normally I get things like this in a large, but I mean, anyways, for a medium, it's gonna be oversized. I just like things super oversized, which is why I typically size up, but still, I think this will be super cute and oversized and comfy even as a medium. So let me go grab the little mug from downstairs and then we'll wrap up this haul. All right, you guys, I am obsessed with this mug. I unboxed it like way sooner than everything else, obviously, because I just pulled it out of the bags because I wanted to use it so bad. Look how cute! This mug's like shape is so perfect. It's big, it can hold a fat cup of coffee. I love everything about this mug. The print is absolutely stunning. This entire summer like blue and white collection, I'm not gonna lie, I want to buy it so bad, and I probably would if I had like an outdoor dining area, but our patio does not have room for that. We just got like a little couch and some seats out there. But I mean, if we had like if we had a house that had like a little pool with like a little dining table, I would be buying this entire collection for that. It is so cute. I can't express how excited I am about it enough because it's so freaking cute. So anyways, I'm obsessed with this mug. I hope you guys are too. You need to go buy it. It's adorable. I've used it 15 times. It's like, I feel like when I buy new mugs, I always get like fixated on one and I use it for like a month straight and refuse to use any other mugs. Then I chill out and I go back to like switching it up every day, which I've done. I'm using my R2-D2 Valentine's Day mug right now. But I just like, I don't know, I get like hyper fixated on a mug and I can't stop using it and I love it. And that's the mug that I've been fixated on for like 3 weeks now. But anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and hit that big red subscribe button down below to come hang out with me more. I just now realized I forgot to put on ears for this video and I'm mad about it. There, now it feels complete. Okay, anyways, I do Disney and other lifestyle content over here. I'll leave my Instagrams over here if you'd like to follow me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah. Why are outros so awkward? I hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you later. Bye.